Before you think about your next bike upgrade, ask yourself this. If you fall today, what would actually protect you? Have you upgraded your riding gear to keep up with your ride? Consider this episode of Gear Matters a basic riding gear audit that is relevant to every type of rider. By now, a lot of you watching this video already know and understand the importance of protective riding gear. But this quick 60-second audit might leave some food for thought. Does my helmet fit me correctly? Is my helmet more than 4 years old? Have I ever replaced it after a drop? Do I own a genuinely good pair of riding gloves? Does the armor on my riding jacket actually sit on my elbows? Do my riding pants still fit me well? Are my shoes really for riding? Is my gear comfortable enough that I wear it on every ride? If you're genuinely keen on being safe on a bike, you can use these simple guidelines to keep the important boxes ticked. Full-face helmets are the safest choice. ISI certification is mandatory in India, but ideally you should look for a helmet that also carries a genuine ECE 22.06 or other similar current and more stringent compliant certifications too. Ensure that it fits correctly and is ideally not more than 4 years old, as liner materials can often degrade with age. If you have dropped your helmet or knocked it hard against something, it could have compromised the inner lining that is supposed to crack and dissipate energy in case of a fall. When in doubt, swap it out. It's simply not worth taking any chances. The best types of riding gloves will offer knuckle, finger, palm, and wrist protection. Based on your budget, use case, and personal preference, you might prefer to prioritize some of these over others. But protection for your hands is critical because it's often the first point of contact with the ground in case of a fall. Sneakers are cool, but a few seconds on asphalt can shred your prized cops and your toes too. You don't need to wear MX boots on your everyday commute, though they would serve you very well in terms of safety. If you ride often, focus on a collection that prioritizes riding relevant protection for your most frequent riding use cases. Riding jackets and pants are not only about the spec sheet, but also about fit and functionality too. Use gear that provides the right type of impact and abrasion protection at the right places. Armor position matters, type of abrasion protection matters, and comfort matters too. Much like motorcycles, different types of riding gear excel in specific use cases. And invest in a few different options to choose from will make sure that you choose to ride with the right gear more often. If you have a limited budget to work with, instead of spending it all on one piece of gear, consider spreading it out to have a more complete protective kit. Build your kit in phases, but don't skip the basics. Open your cupboard and do an honest audit of your riding gear. If something is missing, make sure to prioritize your gear upgrade before your next ride update. If you're looking for more information on how to choose the right riding gear, you can explore the series of videos that we have made specifically for this using the links in the description. Thanks for watching.